I always tell you to update all your devices as long as they have the latest software updates, most likely because they are security updates. So we're going to that right now. Hello, this is Hector from MacFan PR, and we're gonna work on the newest software updates that came out for iPhones, Mac, and other devices. They just came out just today, the 21st. Let's get into it. As I mentioned earlier, the latest software updates for all the platforms into the Apple ecosystem came out as of the 21st of June 2023. And these are all the options available, including for iPhone, all Mac computers. Obviously, there are different configurations depending on the Mac. Anything that is Catalina or before is no longer supported by the company. And we will show you now how to set up the configuration and to update or security update for your iPhone. That will be from the iPhone 10 and over, including the SE second generation and over, and obviously the latest iPhone devices. Just simply go into the home screen, open the icon for settings. Inside settings, you go ahead and go to general, and then scroll down a little bit. In general, the second option will be software update. It's as simple as that. Just press it, and you will find possibly the latest iOS version, iOS 16.5.1. This is a security update that actually has these options available and will update specifically configurations about charging with the Lightning to USB 3 connector or adapter, and other security configurations as well. It was creating an issue when it was not connecting properly. So now that will be fixed with this latest software update. And once you put it on and start installing, it's going to read it. Sometimes it will require, depending on the software, your Apple ID icon or your screen lock code to gain access. In this case, it will not, because it's simply a software update only for the security method. If it was a full new software, it's going to be different. Once you do that, start downloading and then installing, and it will make the phone to reboot several times until it's ready to go. And as you can see, it's very simple to update them. We're gonna go also into the Apple Watch that also got those options. We didn't go into the Macs because, to be honest, I got them done on all of them and I totally forgot to record it. Sorry. Okay, yes, I deserve that slap in the head. So next time we're gonna do it. And remember for that to comment, share, like, and subscribe to MacFan PR in all social media. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.